Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to factory reset your Philips Hue Sync Box, whether you are selling it, troubleshooting, or just starting fresh. This step-by-step video has you covered. Let's jump right in. So the first step is make sure your Hue Sync Box is plugged in and powered on. Now look at the back of the device. There's a small reset button right next to the HDMI ports. You will need a paperclip or pin to press it. Take your paperclip and press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the LED light on the front of the box start flashing. This means the reset process has started. Don't let go too early. Wait until the light starts blinking. Once the LED starts blinking, release the button. The Hue Sync box will now reboot automatically. This may take a minute or two. Once done, the light should return to its default state, showing that the box has been fully reset. Now open the Hue Sync mobile app on your phone. Tap on Set up a new Hue Sync box and follow the on the screen's in instructions. Your sign box is now just like new, ready for a fresh setup. And that's it. You have successfully done a factory reset on your Hue sign box, perfect for fixing bugs, changing networks, or starting clean. If this helpful to you and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.